Okay, so for the last part of Milk Genie breast pump review videos, I would like to compare how quiet Milk Genie breast pump is compared to other breast pump model. Today I have Milk Genie breast pump and then Spectra 9 Plus and its big sister, the Spectra S1. Both of these Spectras considered a very quiet breast pump, so we'll see if Milk Genie is quieter than them, noisier. Okay, let's just compare. Now, for the first part, we'll see how Milk Genie compared to the Spectra 9 Plus. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Okay. One more thing, because Milk Genie has up to 10 levels, and then Spectra 9 also have up to 10 levels. We will see how it compares in the highest level, highest suction level, because we know that usually when we use the highest suction, that's the more noisier the breast pump is. And we'll see if, let's say, we just use the middle level like level 5, whether some of them are quieter or comparable, right? Okay, so this is Milk Genie. Yeah, we are currently in expression mode and it's level 10. You see, okay, this is how noisy it is. It's actually not noisy, it's just vibrating. It's very quiet. I actually tried to turn on my Milk Genie while commuting in the train, and I couldn't really hear its sound because it's very quiet compared to all the noise in the train. Yeah, and now let's compare it to Spectra. Yeah, oops, the Spectra. Both of them are level 10. Maybe I'll turn off the Milk Genie first. The Spectra in level 10. I'll put it closer to the microphone so you can hear clearly. And again, the Milk Genie here. The Spectra and Milk Genie. They are comparably quiet. Maybe the Spectra 9 is slightly noisier. I believe that that's because the Spectra is older in this case, and Milk Genie is newer. But I believe if they are at the same age, they have the same usage. I believe they have comparable level of noise. They just vibrate. They don't really make a very big noise like other breast pump brand. Yeah. Okay, so they are both quiet. So if you need a quiet breast pump, of course, Milk Genie can be one of your options. And now let's compare Milk Genie with Spectra breast pump. Spectra S1, this is the Spectra S1 breast pump. I hope you can see Spectra clearly. Okay, let's now Spectra S1. Now we are in expression mode, but level 7. Turn it on. Oh, wrong. You're in now 1. Wait. Okay, we increase the suction level up to 12. Yeah, Spectra has 12 suction level. It vibrates. Can you hear the vibration? This is Spectra S1 in level 12, the highest level. Yeah. And this is Milk Genie, also in level 10, the highest suction. So they are comparable in terms of noise. And let's now try the middle level. We forgot to do it with Spectra 9 just now. Okay, let's do it with Spectra S1 first. Yeah, let's try to use the middle level of suction, which is 6 in Spectra. Okay, this is Spectra in level 6. You can see from the screen. And okay, the Milk Genie. I hope you can see it. Yeah, the Milk Genie is now in level 5. Okay, this is the Spectra. Okay, it's very quiet in level 6, yeah. For Spectra S1 is very quiet in level 6. And okay, I turn off Spectra and this Milk Genie in level 5. Slightly noisy, but both of them are still quiet. I would say both of them are very quiet. And then okay, let's compare this level 5 of Milk Genie with level 5 of Spectra 9. Just now we forgot to do it. Okay, this is level 6, sorry. So level 5, this is Spectra 9 plus level 5, and Milk Genie also level 5. Okay, let's listen to Spectra first. This is how noisy it is. It's still quiet, but this is Milk Genie. But Milk Genie is still quieter, yeah.